In this video, I will show you how you can have laser sound. So whenever you shoot a laser, you will have laser sound, as you can hear. Beautiful. Let's see how we can do that. When we shoot a laser, we don't have any sound. No, it's time to add some sound. Go to Blueprint. In laser, we have BP laser base. And in here, we have an impact sound when it hits something, but we don't have firing the laser. On its begin play, we can do that. At the end of this begin play, we can play sound, right? Sound 2D is more than enough. And in here, we can use laser sound. You can see there is multiple type of them. For example, level 1, right? And hit compile. Now if we run, now you can see we have laser sound, but we don't want it to be like that. Click on laser base and promote these to a variable, and we can call it laser shooting sound, right? Beautiful. Now let's see how we can use it. For example, I will go to player laser. We have 4 type of player laser, and we need to choose a sound for it, right? So in class default, the laser shooting sound for the laser 01, it should be laser sound level 1, right? Now let me close some of these so you can see the names. These meteors, we don't need them. We did it for player laser 1. Let's just do it for the rest. Player laser 2, we don't need to open full blueprint. In here we can change it to laser level 2. Beautiful. That's it. You can close it. Now for laser level 3, again we can change it to level 3. That's it. You can hit save and close it. Now for the next one, laser player laser 4, change it to laser sound level 4. That's it. Beautiful. Now let's just go back for enemy laser. When it shoot at us, double click on it. In here, let's just first leave it as it is. And when we create more lasers from this enemy laser base, we will change that for different enemies. Now with that done, if we run, you can see we have sound. And if we change this laser to something else, for example, if I go here, we have BP laser, search laser 1. If you change it laser 3, for example, let's see what sound it create. If we run, you can see it's different than before, right? Beautiful.